Hello class 9. Now we are in chapter 5, input in Java. So we have learned two types of input in Java. One was in the BlueJ and second one by using input stream reader and buffer reader. Today we are going to learn how to do the inputting by using the scanner class. So this is scanner class inputting already we have learned in class 8 also, and we are doing the program. Let us see the definition of scanner class. What is a scanner class? The scanner class is the latest development. It is the latest development in Java, which allows the user to read values of various types. It allows us to input the values of various types. The scanner class is defined within a Java package, that is java.util.asterisk. So this all the scanner methods are under which package? Under java.util package. One more thing, the scanner class needs JDK 1.5 or more along with BlueJ version 2.5 or more. To run the Java program and do the inputting by using the scanner class, in our computer, in our system, we must have which version of JDK? 1.5 or more, with the BlueJ which one? 2.5 or more, then only we can run the programs of the scanner class. Now before starting the different terms related to scanner class, once again let us see the one program using inputting. Suppose I am showing you a pattern program. So it is import java.util.scanner. See, already have done the scanner import scanner. Scanner in, instead of OB we have written here in. It can be OB or in any user defined word. The scanner in equal to new scanner system.in, system out println enter a word, string w equal to in.next. So in.next is a scanner method. It is used to input a single word. What is will input? A single word. After that I have written a pattern programming. It will print a pattern of word. So let us compile the program. Compile. Message comes. No syntax error. Close the program. Go to right click. Click on the void main. Click on OK, and it is asking you to enter a word. Message has come to enter a word. Just a type of word, suppose computer. I have typed a word computer and press the enter key. Now see, a pattern of computer is printed on the screen. This is the output of computer pattern. Alright, so this is a Java program using a scanner method. So scanner class is the latest development in Java, which allows the user to read values of various types. Scanner class is defined within a Java package java.util, and it needs JDK 1.4 or more version with the BlueJ 2.5 or more to run in our computer. Now what is import system package? The scanner class is available in the system package, that is java.util. You must import java.util package to avail the facilities available in the scanner class. How you write? We write import java space java in small letter .util .scanner semicolon. Scanner S will be always capital because it is a class name. Here Java is the package name, dot, both the dots are the dot operator, and scanner is the class name. Alright, or we have one more import statement, or we can write import java.util.asterisk, either of this one, either import java.util.scanner or import java.util.asterisk semicolon. You can write any. That will be the first line of our program before the class name. You can see here. Now second, creating a scanner object. What is syntax? The syntax to create a scanner object is, first we write a scanner S capital OB. Used to write in class 8 also, but it is not necessary that we have to write OB only. You can write any meaningful class object name, ABC XYZ, in for input, SC for scanner, any name you can write here instead of OB. New scanner in the bracket system.in. Now let us see one by one. First, declare an object of type scanner, say OB. Like here OB is the object name, or any object name of your choice you can take. It is not necessary that you must take OB only. Next, new keyword is used to have dynamic allocation of a scanner object. This new keyword is allocating the scanner object. Which one? That's new keyword. The scanner class has a special constructor which is automatically invoked to store values in the scanner object from the console. This is called second scanner is called the constructor. After new what is scanner is, that is called constructor. What is a constructor? Constructor is a member method. It is a method. It is a function. In detail about constructor we will study in class 10. For time being, constructor is a method and it is automatically invoked or automatically opened whenever to store the values. In the bracket, in the parameter, that is a bracket, the parameter means in this bracket, system.in allows the constructor to receive data from the keyboard. What does it do? It allows the constructor to receive the data from the keyboard. Alright. Now the scanner class basically works on the principle of tokens. See, each and every word of the program is token in the input. What is a token? A token is a series of characters that ends with a delimiter. The token ends with a delimiter. Some delimiters which can be used as a token separator are comma can be used as a delimiter, full stop can be used as a delimiter, semicolon can be used as a delimiter, white space means blank space can be used as a delimiter, white space means blank space. A scanner class uses white space as a default separator. So what is the default separator? That is the white space. A white space character can be a blank, it can be a type character, type key on the keyboard. A carry return, enter or end of the file. Okay, so this is called delimiter. Other delimiters can also be set as the scanner object in order to separate the token. To separate the tokens word in the program, we can set our delimiter, our choice. So what is syntax to create a delimiter? First you write the scanner object name, like OB is the scanner object name here, then this dot, see this dot. After that the command is the method is use delimiter. The rise use delimiter and a bracket, double quote, comma, double quote. See here comma has become the delimiter. Alright, so in today's class we have discussed how to do the inputting by scanner class, what is the scanner class, what is the syntax to import the Java package, and how to create the scanner object. Now next topic, let us discuss what are the advantages of input through scanner class. First advantage, user may not mention set of data being input from the console. What we are inputting, no need to mention. The end of data elements can be determined through a special token, that is the delimiter. Input stream reader and buffer reader need not to be mentioned, no need to write. So it becomes easy to type the program. Program logic is simple because the scanner class has various methods. In the next class we will discuss about the different methods of the program of the scanner. String manipulation is quite easy as each word can be obtained as a token and handled separately. Handling the string is very easy. About string in detail study in class 10. It provides an easier approach to read records from a data file. So there are how many advantages? 5 advantages of scanner class. Now once again see the program of the using scanner class. Now let us see some other pattern. Import java.util.scanner scanner in. See here I have taken in instead of OB. You can take in for input. You can take any other object name. System out println enter a word. W equal to in.next in. Next, that is next is the instead of next in we have taken next. The next is a scanner method to input a single word. Compile the program. No syntax error. Close the program. Right click. Void main. OK. It is asking to input the word. I am typing class 9. Press the enter. Now see a pattern is printed. Easy. So in the next class we will discuss about the different methods on the scanner class. Thank you.